Cleaning a mattress is an important task that many people overlook. A dirty mattress can harbor dust mites, bacteria, and other allergens that can negatively impact your health and quality of sleep. In this video, we will tell you how to deep clean your mattress effectively in 6 steps. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. The first step in cleaning a mattress is to remove all the bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and any other covers. Place these in the washing machine and wash them according to the instructions on the label. Next, use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust, dirt, and debris from the mattress surface. Be sure to vacuum both sides of the mattress and pay particular attention to the seams and crevices where dust and dirt can accumulate. Use the upholstery attachment to ensure that you don't damage the surface of the mattress. If your mattress has any stains, it's important to spot clean them before proceeding with a deeper cleaning. To do this, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spray the stain. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then blot the area with a clean, damp cloth. Repeat this process until the stain is removed. To remove any unpleasant odors from your mattress, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface. Let the baking soda sit for at least 30 minutes, then vacuum it up with the upholstery attachment. Steam cleaning is an effective way to deep clean your mattress and kill any bacteria, dust mites, or other allergens that may be lurking inside. To steam clean your mattress, you will need a steam cleaner with an upholstery attachment. Fill the steam cleaner with water according to the instructions on the label, and then attach the upholstery attachment. Turn the steam cleaner on and allow it to heat up. Starting at the top of the mattress, use the steam cleaner to clean the surface of the mattress in a slow, methodical manner. Be sure to pay particular attention to any stained or soiled areas. Once you have finished cleaning one side of the mattress, flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. Be sure to let the mattress dry completely before placing any bedding back on it. To keep your mattress clean and protected in the future, consider using a mattress protector. A mattress protector can help prevent stains, spills, and dust mites from penetrating the surface of the mattress, making it easier to clean and maintain. Cleaning a mattress is an important task that should be done regularly to maintain good hygiene and quality of sleep. By following these steps, you can effectively clean and deodorize your mattress and protect it from future stains and allergens. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.